Hey everybody, it's Joshua Campbell, your knowledge broker. Selling in Ontario, the competitive market of the GTA especially, is no easy task, especially in economic uncertainty. So, I have some tips on how you can make your home shine and be the one that sells in any marketplace. Number one, curb appeal. As soon as someone drives up to your house, the first thing that they notice is how much and how well you maintain your home. Meaning, is it landscaped? Is it raked? Is it swept? Is it tidy? Are the leaves away? You name it, the first impression makes the biggest difference to anybody walking up to your house as to how well it has been cared for. Number two, declutter, stage. When people walk through a house, you want to make sure that they feel that they are getting the most bang for their buck. More of a home than you're actually offering. And how do you do this? You take as much as you possibly can out of the house, and then you set the stage by making sure that it pops and it looks exactly how they would picture themselves living there. Whether they have the furniture or not to even match, it doesn't matter. You want them to fall in love and want to live in your home. Number three, make all necessary repairs. When people go through your home, if they see that there's window cranks that are broken, maybe blinds that are not working, they think that you have not cared for your home. And if you haven't cared for your home, it means that they're walking into what they might consider a cash trap. Maybe they got to spend a ton of money on it, and before you know it, they talk themselves out of your house and they think about the next one. Number four, upgrade all key features. If you have the time and the opportunity to make your house shine just that little bit more, no different than if you're going to sell a used car, would you not take it for a car wash and detail it to get that much more money from somebody? Well, the same applies for your home. You make sure that that house is spotless. It shines. You have a fresh paint job throughout. You even go to the point of maybe even adding an extra lighting so your house is extra bright, which makes people think it's extra big. Number five, use professional photos. I can't even understand or fathom how people can actually take horrible photos of their house and expect that they're going to get the highest price. When you do photos, even the quality of them will depict what the quality of your home is. If the low quality photo means low quality house, high quality photo, high quality house, higher quality, more money, low quality, lower money. In the end of the day, it's simple. Take high quality photos and make sure you work with a real estate agent that actually works with a very good high-end photographer. And number six, the most important, is pricing your home accurately. If you price it too high, people think that you're out to lunch and you expect too much money. If you price it too low, trying to get multiple offers, people are disinterested in multiple offers, they won't even come to your home, and not only that, the people that do actually think that you want to sell for less and you're misaligned with the type of buyer. You have to hit this on the bullseye. You want your price to be exactly where you get people out there that say, can I afford that? Can I want it? Let's get through it. Or two, I want to pay a little bit more money for that house so that I can make sure I get it. When you have this exact scenario, you will always win by pricing it on the bullseye because you're going to attract the right buyer. And sometimes with the market aligns, you get this certain amount of buyers looking at your property at the same time. You do get that multiple offer situation. Now, that's being said, not always the highest offer is the best offer. Sometimes it's actually the one that's a little bit stronger because they have a better closing date, more deposit money, and perhaps they don't even have a house to sell or they've already sold their house. I hope these tips help, and if you have any questions in regards to the spring market, let me know. I'm always here. We'll talk to you guys soon. Take care.